What started as one plant has become more than 100 over the years. I'll give you a tour of my indoor plants today. The oldest plant in our house, more than 15 years now. It has given many baby plants also over the years. This is adenium. This will flower in summer. This will go outdoors during summer. This is also called a desert rose. It needs high heat and humidity for it to bloom. This golden pothos is in water and is a centerpiece for our dining table. This is wandering Jew in a clay pot. This is white Thanksgiving cactus. This is a croton plant. I have this for about 7 years. This is my CC plant. This is the baby of the CC plant that I have propagated in water. You can see roots on them. In this pot I am growing jade pothos and golden pothos together. My plan is to grow this pothos into this tree, to make a pothos tree. This is a spider plant. You can see in this spider plant leaf, you can see white in the middle and green on both sides. I have 3 different kinds of spider plants. In this spider plant, you can see green in the middle and white on the edges. This third variety spider plant has solid green leaves. This is Aglaonema silver bay. This also I have for many years. Very easy to take care of, low maintenance plant. I have propagated more than 2 plants from this. This is one and this is another one. A few more spider plants. This is one and this is another one. I have Queen of Night in 3 different pots. They go outdoors during summer. Around September, when they are about to bloom, I bring them indoors. This is my pencil cactus. This is a pink Thanksgiving cactus. This is purple shamrock or Oxalis triangularis. This is a succulent arrangement that I got for Christmas. This is a jade plant. I have 3 Pilea plants. 1, 2 and 3. This is a Phalaenopsis orchid. This is a Dracaena plant that I propagated from the mother plant. This is a philodendron. Its leaves look like pothos, but it is philodendron. This is a peace lily. I have 4 varieties of pothos. Silver satin pothos. Golden pothos and jade pothos. Lucky bamboo in water. Coleus plants are overwintering in water. We will plant them outdoors in summer. This is my jasmine plant. This goes outdoors in summer. I have two kinds of snake plants. Number 1 and number 2. Another Dracaena plant that I propagated from the mother plant. I don't know the name of this plant. I got this from one of my friends. This is another philodendron. Those pothos over kitchen cabinets are in water. I will show my curry plants also. They will go outdoors in summer.